forget to hit that subscribe button. Blue's Clues. A Blue's Clues holiday. Hi, I'm so glad you're here to share in our family holiday. It's getting colder. I wonder if it will snow tonight. We better get inside. Come on. Blue, look who's here to share in our family traditions. Everyone is making something to add to our holiday decorations. Will you help us finish our decorations? You will? Great! Blue, we're ready for your holiday decorations. Do you know what Blue made to hang in our living room? Paper chains. Blue makes her paper chains every year to hang around the house. Can you help her? We just need to cut some construction paper into long strips. Then we use some glue to connect the strips into a circle. The trick is to loop the second strip through the first circle before you glue it. Yum! Mr. Salt and Mrs. Pepper always bake the most yummy holiday cookies. Do you know what shape the cookies are? Mr. Salt and Mrs. Pepper's snowball cookies are easy to make. Maybe you can make some for your family too. Hey, let's see what Shovel and Pail are up to. Shovel and Pail are making paper snowflakes to decorate our living room. Aren't they pretty? Hey, maybe you want to try to make paper snowflakes too. Look at Slippery. He's making something festive out of bubbles to put in our room. What did he make? Can you tell? Hey, Tickety, did you make something too? What did Tickety make this year? This is my favorite part of our holiday. Now we can go to each of our friends' houses and give each of them a holiday present. Will you sing your favorite holiday song for us as we walk? Great! Here we are at the first house on our stop. Do you know whose house this is? It's Green Puppy's house. I wonder what holiday they are celebrating. Do you know? They are celebrating Christmas. Christmas is a holiday when people celebrate the miracle of birth. Hey, do you think Green Puppy likes the present we brought her? I'm so excited because Green Puppy said that green blocks are her favorite. Here we are at our second house. Do you know whose house this is? It's Orange Kitten's house, Blue's friend from school. Do you know what holiday they are celebrating? They are celebrating Hanukkah. Hanukkah is a holiday when people celebrate the miracle of light. Wow, that's so nice. Oh, I almost forgot. We brought something special for Orange Kitten too. And look, it is her favorite color. I just love my doll. Thank you. This is my favorite part, visiting with our friends. Oh, here we are at our last stop on our trip through the neighborhood. Whose house do you think this is? It's Purple Kangaroo's house. Do you know what they are celebrating? They are celebrating Kwanzaa. Kwanzaa is a holiday when people celebrate being together. How cool! Let's give Purple Kangaroo the present we brought for him. Do you know what it is? A pocket for me? Thank you. Okay, now that we are back home, it's time for us to give out our last two presents. We have a magenta colored painter's outfit left in our bag. Who do you think that could be for? You're right, it's for Magenta because she loves to paint. Now we have one more present left. Do you know who it is for? You! This book is for you from all of us at Blue's Clues. Happy holidays! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share. And follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Blue's Clues stories, check out my Blue's Clues playlist. And for more holiday stories, check out my holiday playlist. Thanks so much for joining me today. We'll see you all next time.